Hi guys, I'm Dennis Wang from Nobody Casa, and today I want to share about how I mix basic skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's mix basic skin tone using blue, red, yellow and white. The blue and the red, and then you might need more of a yellow. Then we can mix it. Looks like the red is not enough. Because different brand might have different paint intensity, so you might wanna try to mix and match the best amount of each color that suits for your basic skin tone. Let's see. Okay, because we're going to need a lot of white, then I will just put a drop here and then mix in the white color and see for the color change. I think I got the color. Okay, and we have our skin tone. If you want to go lighter tone, then add more white. You can see the difference. This is a lighter skin tone. And if you want to go darker skin tone, we are going to add burnt sienna. And this is kind of a reddish brown color. Then we are going to see the difference. And there we have our darker skin tone. Okay, so there you go, mixing basic skin tone. And here we have our basic skin tone, the darker color, the basic, and the lighter color. If you guys have any question, please do so in the comment. And if you want to support my channel to Patreon, there's link in the description. And thank you for watching.